Eden Farms is a hydroponic greenhouse operation growing baby and continental cucumbers. This is a family operation that's been growing for 40 years. We're based in the Bundaberg region, currently farming around 8 hectares of greenhouse across 2 farms. We're a large autonomy of operation and currently undertake a number of activities in the greenhouse. In particular, we have the picking and fertigation systems and also spraying. Our involvement in the Hinkler Ag initiative is to trial new technologies and identify what's appropriate for our operation. The importance of on-farm trials is that we have a hands-on experience using the technology. It gives us the opportunity to identify where the technology might need to be improved, but also where the strengths provide a benefit to our operation. The impact of the initiative on our business has been quite significant in terms of where we had quite traditional and manual processes, and now we can see a very clear benefit of using new technology to improve our production and efficiency. Working with Central Queensland University was very important for linking us with professionals such as Jamin from AgTech Drones, as they bring all their knowledge and expertise combined with the university's research approach for us to be able to really draw out the benefits of the technology. The use of a drone to whitewash our greenhouses replaced a very manual and traditional method of having labour actually get up on a roof and manually apply whitewash using hoses. A huge advantage with the technology. We no longer need to put people up onto a roof, and there's certainly very cost effective because it's a lot quicker, and it also replaces another option of using helicopters to apply whitewash, which comes at an enormous cost. So the benefits of AgTech drones and whitewash of the greenhouses have been extraordinary.
So we've run several trials with Eden Farms as part of the Hinkler AgTech initiative. Eden Farms is one of the local producers of baby cucumbers under protected cropping, and they have a history of being quite innovative in the protected cropping industry. So they're always looking for ways to improve their production system, and technology being a key aspect in that improvement. One of the trials that we've worked with Eden Farms on has been trialling a technology called Bitwise agronomy. Bitwise uses GoPros to capture imagery of the crop, and then they apply machine learning algorithms to identify specific aspects of the imagery. So for example, in this case, we've been able to develop a model to measure the length of cucumber fruit and also to count the number of flowers and developing fruit in the crop. The data collected using Bitwise is really valuable in this type of production system because the grower can use that data to help with predicting yield, and that's really valuable in estimation of how much fruit they can supply to market. The team at Eden Farm have been really supportive of the trial work that we've done using these technologies. Jeremy's been really involved in the trials and very supportive of applying these in their production system. One of the benefits that we've seen at Eden is the value in integrating different types of technologies. So for example, stacking Bitwise with robotic device such as the XAG can help improve efficiencies. So there's real value in not only how technology can be applied individually, but also integrated with other types of technology to gain the most benefit.